Hey, what's up everybody? This is American Equipment. I just wanted to bring a video to you guys today. I have this brand new 2018 SSV65 Kubota skid steer. This was just actually I just went and picked this up at the local farm store here over the weekend. It's got 28 hours on it. So it's a brand new unit, and this is an open cab model. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a walk around of the skid steer here today for my channel, and just comment if you have any comments to make on it. And I'll try to help you out, answer any questions that you have. If you have any interest in this machine and purchasing this here in the near future. Mine did come with the Kubota Bucket here. It's a long bottom bucket. It's probably 66 inch roughly. It does have the standard, this came standard. They're not manual quick coupler, but it's got the hydraulic quick coupler, which was a nice feature. I didn't think I was going to get that. But like I said, it is an open cab model. So to show you the quick inside look here, this is the hand and foot operated here. And I like the lap bar system that they have. Just pull down one on each side. But it is the hand and foot operated model here. Just give you a walk around here. There is the hydraulic indicator gauge there on the side, and the fill on the side there. All the grease zerks are easy to access. There's about 18 of them from what I counted, maybe 20. Got your ones on the side right there. Got one on the inside arm there. And then going down the side of the machine, you have your grease zerks there, and a couple right there. But overall, it is an awesome machine. It's probably been my favorite compared to I got an S570 right there. I got a Case TR270 there. But as far as manufacturers go, this is probably my favorite unit so far. Just the overall design of the machine. Engineers did a great job in the design of this machine. It's got 10 by 16.5 tires on it. Has those nice covers for the for the arms on the front. All the hydraulic hoses are easy to access. Fittings easy to replace. If you need to do it, you can do it at your local O'Reilly's or something like that. If you needed to switch out one of the hydraulic hoses. So open up the back door here, show you a look on the inside. On the back of these models, they do have the fuel tank there on the back door, and it's easily accessible. Do you know if you get a hole in it or something like that, it's easy to replace. You know, like the other models from other manufacturers, they put them under the engines or someplace that's hard to replace the tank or antifreeze. You got all your filters are easily accessible. Fuel, your hydraulic, engine, all your filters, your battery access is easy. They did mount the engine sideways, so it's easy to clean up the bottom pan of the skid steer. Makes it very easy to access all the hydraulic hoses. There's your air filter right there. So yeah, everything's really easily accessible. You do have access to your radiator under there. And then also on your sides here, if you need to get in on the side there for some reason. And then if you want to access more of the hydraulics, the cab does lift up. by removing 2 pins inside the cab, so that is easily accessible there. Here's your auxiliary hookup. They have a plate protecting that, as well as the arm bar that goes higher than the auxiliaries and farther out on the auxiliaries this way too, so it protects those fittings so you don't have to, they don't get as damaged as easily. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a brief overview of what it looks like. So if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out or answer any questions you have about it, how it operates, etc. So feel free to ask any questions, and I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video.